Hello, going guns. Hope you are done with the last day's practical. Now, today's topic is networking fundamentals. A computer network is a collection of hardware components interconnected with each other by a communication channel, for example, cables, satellites, routers, switches, etc., that allow sharing of resources from one computer to another computer, from one network to another network. In this session, I'm going to introduce you to the basic fundamental concepts of networking and internet and using different types of internet connections. Networks are designed using the two main architectures. First is peer-to-peer architecture. In this network, all computers have an equal status. That's why it's called peer-to-peer networks. Generally, in such a network, each terminal has an equal competent CPU. For example, I'll give an example to make you to understand this peer-to-peer architecture. For example, we have a computer lab of 50 computers. Well, 50 students are sitting on each computer, and on each computer, every student can delete, install, uninstall any program on its individual computer. It means that students that time, the administrator of the system, whatever the students want to do with the system, that student can do. One more architecture is client-server architecture. In client-server architecture, I told you an example. I'll give the same example. If in the same 50 lab of having 50 computers, 50 students are sitting on each computer, they cannot delete anything, they cannot install anything, they cannot change anything in the system unless that administrator of that lab is allowing them to do so. For example, in client-server architecture, a central repository system, a single computer is controlling the whole other 50 computers. If that administrator is privileging you to delete anything, then you can only delete. If that administrator won't allow you to delete anything, install anything, you won't do anything unless that administrator will allow you to do so. Hence, in client-server operating system, a system which is controlling other 50 computers is called server, and other 50 computers are called clients. Now, types of network. There are two major types of network. One is local area network and second is wide area network. A local area network is one which connects computers and devices in a limited geographical area, such as a home, a school, a computer laboratory, office building, or closely positioned group of buildings. And what is a wide area network? A wide area network which covers a broad area. For example, metropolitan city, a region, national boundaries, etc. In local area network, for example, in local area network is limited to a single geographical area. For example, the network of a school is called local area network. Network of a campus is called local area network. Network of a home is called local area network. Network of a small shop is called local area network. But wide area network contains hundreds of local area networks. For example, the network of a city is called wide area network. The network of a country is actually itself called wide area network. So after that, we'll move to the internet. The internet is a global system of interconnected computers, networks that use a standard internet protocol suite to serve billions of users worldwide. Internet is one of most technology of modern times which helps us in our daily personal and professional life. Internet is widely used by students, educational institutions, scientists, professionals to gather information for research and general information. The internet is the largest encyclopedia for all age groups. The internet helps in maintaining contact with friends and relatives who live across different locations via internet chatting systems and email softwares. Thus, internet is also becoming a major source of entertainment as well. WWW, World Wide Web, abbreviated as WWW or W3, commonly known as Web. It is a system of interlinked hypertext documents accessed via the internet with the web browser. One can view web pages that may contain text, images, videos, and other multimedia and navigate between them via hyperlinks. It is because of this WWW, World Wide Web, you people are able to download these lectures which teachers are making for you. So what are these hyperlinks and what are these web pages? I'll give an example. For example, if you want to download this my lecture, today's lecture, what will you do? You'll go to the internet. In the URL, type the web address of our school. Then after that, you will have to click on a hyperlink, which is downloads, and in downloads you will have different hyperlinks grade wise. If you want to download grade 10 this computer science, you will have to click on the hyperlink of grade 10. Then after that, go to there will be different subjects, obviously English, Urdu, maths, etc, etc, and computer science as well. Then when you click on computer science, you'll be able to download the topic of computer science. So imagine there are millions of websites, thousands of schools all over the world, millions of websites of these schools, and millions of hyperlinks of these websites are there. These different millions, trillions, billions web pages on internet connected with different hyperlinks are called web pages. That's it for the day. Thank you, Goenkans. And today we are done with page number 83 and 84 of Information Technology book.